Please now, I request
Faders
you.
down, one person speak, Shehzad.
I had to step into the defense of Ishkaran because Ishkaran is not making some presumption. This is the campaign of Aam Aadmi Party. कि वोट से लेंगे जेल का बदला. They launched this campaign. And therefore, by your own standard, not by our standard is judicial standard. Your standard that when you set it as a referendum, now you got 0 seats. BJP got 7 seats for the third time. So therefore, by your standards, you have done a referendum that people's court is against you. Now, second point, you are saying that PMLA law has been changed in such a way. Sir, do you have any Supreme Court order that the PMLA law is unconstitutional? It has gone to Supreme Court and has not been stayed. The operation has not been stayed. But third point, if PMLA is so draconian, just last point, in Chhattisgarh election, the same Aam Aadmi Party was demanding the same PMLA and ED laws to be applied on Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and Rahul Gandhi. And fourth and final point is that, sir, forget everything else. वो कमरू जमान चौधरी को लाइए थोड़ा स्क्रीन पे. कमरू जी, बाकी सब तो छोड़ दो. लालू 4 बार कन्विक्टेड है, उनके साथ भी वेंडेटा हो रहा है क्या? Are you saying that the High Court has done vendetta politics? Chalo, hum vindictive. But High Court, by denying Mr. Kejriwal relief today, are they indulging in BJP's vendetta? ये क्या बोले जाते हो आप? ये कंडीशनल कमिटमेंट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मत कीजिए. ये जय भीम के नारे लगाते हो, भीम को मानिए. भीम साहब आंबेडकर जी ने बोला है.
कुछ तो शर्म करो, या तो फिर तुम हो जाओ एएसजी. कम से कम अच्छा डिफेंड कर लोगे एएसजी से.
और आप जज बन जाओ. जज कमरू जमान
मत करो.
शरिया कोर्ट के जज कमरू जमान.
Okay, let's not get personal. Gentlemen, please, let's not get personal. Please, Ishtaran is making a point. Kamru Zaman ji, Shehzad, please calm down. Ishtaran coming in, making a point. Calm down. Gentlemen, please, faders down. Sorry. Ishtaran, make your point.
I will now, because my lenses have been called into question, let me read out the Supreme Leader of Aam Aadmi Party's own words. If the Supreme Leader makes a statement, and I repeat that statement, that does not mean I am wearing lenses of any party. Maybe I'm wearing the lenses of Aam Aadmi Party when I say Arvind Kejriwal. Friends, they are saying after 20 days I will have to go back to jail. But if you push the broom button, I may not go back to jail. The power is in your hands, the people of Delhi. Vote for Jhadu, sweep away BJP. Now, if the Supreme Leader says, you vote for me, sweep away BJP, I will not go to jail, the people of Delhi in their wisdom decide to give a 0, not even 1 or 2 seats, an 0. You make it an issue. The people answer the issue. How is it BJP?
No, this is vendetta politics by Aam Aadmi. By the voters. This is vendetta by voters.
Exactly. You put the question to voter. Voter answered the question to you.
Dr. Muni.
What is BJP to do with it? What is Ishkaran lenses to do with it? It's the voter answering you.
Dr. Muni, vendetta by voters
now,
next.
Now, Pranay ji, with all respect, I want to tell that I refrain from answering to the theatrics that done by my respected colleague.
अरविंद, ये तो आप अपने लीडर का अपमान कर रहे हैं. Are you saying आप अरविंद केजरीवाल के स्टेटमेंट को थिएट्रिक्स बोल रहे हैं? I don't think this will be well received.
ने जो अभी किया,
नहीं देखिए,
वो उसको मैं थिएट्रिक्स बोल रहा हूँ.
अरविंद केजरीवाल के स्टेटमेंट को आप थिएट्रिक्स बोल रहे हैं, डॉक्टर मुनि.
नहीं, आप मेरे मुंह में वर्ड्स मत डालिए.
मैं नहीं डाल रहा हूँ.
इश्करण भंडारी अभी कर रहे थे, उसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ थिएट्रिक्स.
अरे बट उन्होंने तो इश्टरन रिपीटेड व्हाट अरविंद केजरीवाल से. अच्छा, 1 minute. Did Mr. Kejriwal say these things or not?
Fact check करो. Good.
देखिए प्रणय जी, केजरीवाल जी ने ये भी
No, did he say this or not?
नहीं, मोदी जी ने ये भी बोला था 400 पार हो जाएगा. मोदी जी का तो 400 पार हुआ नहीं. तो क्या मतलब है?
तो मोदी जी, I'll tell you the difference between the two. I'll tell you, Dr. Muni, come on, let's be reasonable. Dr. Muni, please, let's be reasonable. मोदी जी ने जब बोला था 400 पार, उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला था अगर 400 पार नहीं हुआ या अगर ये हो गया तो मैं बदल दूंगा, कुछ ऐसा कर दूंगा, वैसा कर दूंगा. इन्होंने तो बोला था बीजेपी को हटाओ, मुझे जेल से निकालो.
वादा किया था, वो नहीं पूरा किया गया. उस पे भी पूछ लीजिए.
डॉक्टर मुनि,
कम ऑन. किया था कि नहीं 2022 तक हो जाएगा.
लेट मी ट्राई विद पीयूष जी.
नहीं, आप मुझसे अरे आपने पूछ लिया, अब मेरा वाक्य भी सुन लीजिए. कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि ईडी इज बायस्ड इन इट्स अप्रोच. आई एम कोटिंग द ऑनरेबल कोर्ट.
वो होल्ड
कोर्ट ने ये भी कहा है. नहीं, वो होल्ड पे नहीं है.
How is it quoting this?
के हो गया कि नहीं हो गया वो रिजर्व है, केस जब
अरे
तक
भाई,
रिजर्व है उसको close
no,
किया
one
जा
minute,
सकता है।
second, this is
Case
not true.
reserved
let
है,
him
ठीक है?
quote,
No, no,
let him
no, no.
quote, yeah.
और कोर्ट ने ये भी कहा है, and I'm quoting this, ED has said investigation is an art, then any person can be implicated and kept behind the bars by artistically procuring the material against him after artistically avoiding withdrawing exculpatory material from the record. It
Right.
means that the honorable court is saying that ED is artistically using its extra
Right.
investigative powers
Right.
to implicate Arvind Kejriwal in this particular case, and Arvind Kejriwal deserves a bail in this particular case.
अब मैं बोलता no, one minute. If despite the trial court observing this, the High Court has put a stay on this, what does it tell you?
High Court has reserved its judgment on the stay for 2 to 3 days.
Yeah,
as per
so-
the statement today.
No, 1 second.
When
Let's
it
get
comes,
time out. 1
it
second.
is-
Let's
it
not.
is the- if the judgment
No,
comes,
this is
it
how this
there,
works.
then
This
we
has
can
been kept in.
consider-
No, this has been kept on hold. This has been kept on hold.
One
Yes,
second.
sir, case-
1 second.
it
Let
is
me
on
please.
hold.
No.
Yeah.
You cannot allow
Hold पे है.
misinformation and disinformation.
नहीं,
1 second,
कोई
Pradesh.
Okay,
You have
okay,
to interrupt.
okay.
You have to give me an
Okay.
opportunity to
Okay,
speak.
come in,
We
come in.
can't misquote the quotes here. 1 second. I am saying do this. 1 second. Pranesh, you ask your research team and get this fact check. If I am wrong, I'll leave the debate. Otherwise, Mr. Muni leaves the debate. You please tell your fact check team. The High Court said stay on trial court order full stop. And then it said that today, whatever hearings took place, on that my order is reserved for the next 2 to 3 days. And there is no question mark on whether there is a stay on the trial court order. When there's a stay on a low court order, it is ineffective, inoperative.
I'll read out
And
what the
therefore,
High Court said.
Mr. Muni, you leave the debate. If I'm lying,
quote,
I'll leave it.
Let me quote. Till pronouncement, the operation of the impugned order shall remain stayed. Unquote. This is what the High Court today said. Dr. Muni, I'm reading verbatim what the court said.
Yeah. I'm saying the operation of the order has been stayed, but the judgment on the order copy has been reserved for 2-3 days, after which the
That's
judgment will
okay.
be given. That's okay. That's what I'm saying.
But
I
how is
agree
it
with you.
vendetta then? आप तो vendetta बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा सर, let me.
मैं वेंडेटा तो
1 second.
मैंने ये बोला, आपको मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ.
No. Let's bring in Piyush
मैं
Joshi.
ये बोल रहा हूँ कि एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट
Okay.
अपना एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेस्टिगेटिव पावर यूज करके बायसनेस से
Dr.
ये
Muni,
पर्टिकुलर केस
Dr.
हैंडल
Muni,
कर रही है. ये कोर्ट
One
ने
by
बोला.
one. Dr. Muni, 1 minute.
10 seconds. Here is a trial court order from which Mr. Muni is constantly quoting, which has been stayed, but that we have to consider. There's a 1 second, sir. Please don't interrupt. It's an important point I'm making. It's a legal point. The trial court order, which has been stayed, has still got sanctity for Mr. Muni. But here is the High Court order, which has not been stayed on Kejriwal's involvement and on all the points you've quoted, and not been stayed by Supreme Court or by any High Court. वो क्या है? वो क्या है? ट्रायल कोर्ट के स्टे ऑर्डर से नाचेंगे ये लोग, और हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर स्टे नहीं है, उसमें कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. ये आम आदमी पार्टी, इससे बड़ी ड्रामेबाज पार्टी दुनिया में देखने नहीं मिलेगी. इनके समर्थक भी ऐसे हैं. पानी का पूछो तो पानी का जवाब नहीं है. पानी में अभी धरना कर रहे हैं अपनी सरकार के खिलाफ. ड्रामेबाजों से बचो.